how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can subscribe to any YouTube channel. So let's get started. First of all, open your YouTube application either on your mobile device or your PC. Go to the search bar and search for the channel you wish to subscribe. Here I've searched for AI plus more. So just click on search bar and here is the channel that I wish to subscribe. Here at the right side of the channel, you'll be able to see an option that is subscribe. So you can just click on this button and your channel would be subscribed. However, there's also another way that you can just click on the channel's name and you will be redirected to the channel where you can see all of the videos. So here below the about section, you'll be able to see subscribe. So just click on it and the channel would be subscribed. Now there's also another third way that, for example, if you're watching any of the video, so just click on any of the video and you're watching that video at the moment. So once the video is being loaded, here next to the channel's name you'll be able to see a subscribe button. So all you have to do is just click on the subscribe and you can see that the channel has been subscribed. So you can click on this arrow over here and now there are some personalized options such as all of the notifications that this channel has posted something, all of them would be received by you. And here are some personalized, like you can personalize your notifications, and then we have none, that you don't want any notifications, and then there's also an option to subscribe. So you can just click on any of it. If you click on all, that means you'll receive all of the notifications and activities regarding this channel. So that is basically how you can subscribe to a channel on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.